Hello everyone. Today we are going through a simple code on Python and we are trying to solve a data structure problem. So specifically we are taking a stack and let us see. The topic is we are trying to take validating a parenthesis code using Python code basically and data structures we are taking as a stacks. Let's get started.
Solving valid parenthesis code. Problem statement. Given a string containing just the characters, all the variety of brackets. Determine if the input string is valid. An input is string valid if open brackets are closed at the same type of brackets. Open brackets are closed in the correct order. Refer these inputs and its expected outputs. Input. First one the brackets are all correct and all are open brackets, curve brackets and all. So the output is true. Second one is also in the brackets are in correct order, so the output is true. Third one is false. Why? Because one is open bracket and one is square bracket. So the output is false. So anyway, the output and input are like this. Similarly, uh, all the variety of brackets are like this. Let's switch. Solution. Given input of all the brackets, so convert this input to a list. Given list all of the brackets. Let us switch to code editor. Now let's log into code editor now. Okay.
Yeah, let's try to write the code and I'll try to minimize the stack code whatever we saw yesterday. I will try to write a very simple code. Okay, so stack has what are the stack has stack I'm taking as a very simple list stack variable I have created and list object I'm creating. So what is the list is a simple list small case, right? I created a list. Now stack will have pop and push. And one more thing, top or pick anything whichever you wish you can write. First I will write push def. So I'm not creating a class or not complicating. I'm trying to make it very simple. I'm putting an element here inside push stack dot. So list is taking append, right? So I'm taking append element. I am adding that element. So and also I want to print that what is happening inside the stack, right? Print format element pushed. What is pushed? Whatever this particular thing I will print here. So I will put this as a short name ELEM I will put. Okay, so it will be more easier for us to type. Okay, that's it. So whichever is pushed I am printing, and after pushing what is the stack stage. Print again formatted statement after push stack is what, just print the complete stack. So since this is a list, whatever elements are there in the stack, it will be printed. I am taking another one, push and pop, two functions, right? So I am writing a pop function. Pop will not carry any arguments. Stack dot pop. Simply, it will be removed and put it into garbage collector. But we want to take that variable and print it, right? So popped element I need to print it here so that we will see what is popped. Okay, let's print and format specified popped is, what are we popping? popped underscore ele. Oh, let's see game elem. Okay, that's it. Why is this giving a problem? No, right? Popped is I'm putting a colon. Okay, and what is next? After popping, what is the stack status, right? Print formatted string. After popping, I need to print the stack, right? Stack. Let us see. So given underscore list. What list is given to us? Let's go to the code and see. This is the list given, right? So I will take this list, open bracket and square bracket and two flower brackets. Okay, so I'll put that in double quotes. This one, this one, this one, again this one. So I have this string. I need to convert this into list. How do I convert this whole thing as a string, right? So simply list of, you say this, all this will be converted as a variables. I mean each one as a single character list. Okay, so let us see whether it is converted or not. I am trying to print this given list as a list. Simply I am not using any stack operations now. So let us see what's happening. Yeah, see, this is the given list. It's not copying, but what we need to see, we need to take this each element, and so the given list can be varying because our problem statement is having different kind of inputs, right? First is this set, and this is another example, another example, another example. We will try all of them once the code is completed. Yeah, so print given list, it is printed. Now I also need to see stack is having a current element also you need to see, that is peak or top. Okay, def top is one more function. Okay, is stack, if stack means if stack is empty, then top is, if stack is not empty, then only first one will come, is equal to, if stack is not empty, you are taking the last element, right? -1. If stack is empty, what you will say? Else you don't have any elements in the stack, so obviously you will have to have none and return that underscore top, local variable. The same variable I am returning here. So this is the top or peak, you can say both are same for this scenario. And now we need to push all these elements one by one to stack. While we are pushing, latest, whether the latest element is the pair of one of these brackets or not, we will see. If the pair is coming, we have to pop it. If the element is not matching, we have to push it. If it is matching, pop, not matching, push. Okay, how do we write that logic? Let's take, first we need to construct that pairs also, right? So I am writing that open pairs, I am writing the variable name as open pairs and constructing a dictionary. So square bracket, open square brackets, pair is closed square bracket. The same way I want to have this parenthesis, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. The same way open flower bracket and close flower bracket. Yeah, that's it, right? So I am having a pair, so if its respective value coming, then this should be popped. If there is no matching, then don't pop it, just keep it, keep pushing into stack. Okay, let us see how it is, how do we write the code. And we have to take one by one and push into stack and pop out of stack based on the matching or not matching. For each element, I'm simply writing each in given underscore list. Given underscore list means this is holding all these values, right? So whatever is input, this is the input for this code. Okay, given list. So now current top is equal to, I'm just trying to get that current top. What is the top now? If dot get the current top. So this tops this is a dictionary, right? Inside this dictionary, first element is matching or not. I am trying to say, if that is not there, I will need to get none, and that should be, I need to match it with each. If this each is matching with this particular matched element, what I need to do, if it is matched, then I need to pop. I need to call the pop. Correct? So if it is not matching, I need to push that each value. Okay? I think we wrote the complete code. We are doing, and at the end of all this iteration, see, this is a for loop, right? How many elements are there in this given list? All the times it will iterate through. After all the iterations, if elements are done, at that time, if stack is empty, then it is valid. If stack is not empty, it is invalid, or we should print it as a false. If stack, which means if stack is not empty, print given input is valid bracket, else print invalid brackets. Okay, let us run this code. Each time what is the status of stack we are seeing, we will be trying to see that. Okay, I'm running that. Oh, it is running simply. Okay, at the first time it is trying to take this element and pushing element pushed is square bracket, after push this is a stack, and popped this one because it is matching. Okay, after popping again stack is empty, element pushed is open bracket, and pop is this one because it is matching. Like that, after everything, invalid brackets it is saying. Is it invalid, or it should say valid, right? If stack, let us see print stack. It is there. Okay, if length of stack, let us take length of stack. Greater than 0, then only do this. If it is 0, go to the else part. What is this? Oh, okay, we wrote that reverse. If here I should put invalid above, below we should write valid. So the code is mistake. You see. So I will need to put the invalid bracket set, means how do? You put some open bracket, two open brackets, that on, and run that. It should print invalid now. Okay. Now, yeah, these two are leftovers, and that last two open brackets, and then or you can keep one open bracket also, and this also I will remove. Okay, so run that code. These two are leftovers, right? I will delete those last two. This is valid. Obviously, it is valid. You got it. Input is valid. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Yep.
Python data structure stack. We have used same type of code as side. We used total today, a simpler version during the live session hands-on.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Python plus data structure and
Algorithm content.
algorithm content. And do let me know in the comments. If you have any questions on these real-time code examples, like, share, subscribe, comment, and let's talk in the description. Thank you. We are ending this video.